Hello everybody, it's Leslie with Color with Diamonds. Today's video is going to show you how to make your very own custom diamond painting pen. It's pretty easy and it's a lot of fun to do, and you can do it for pretty inexpensive as well. It's also a great way to add customization and flair to your diamond painting projects without spending a lot of money. If you find that the pink pens that come with the kits are not very comfortable, this is a great way to find a pen that you do find comfortable and turn it into a diamond painting pen. Let's go ahead and show you how to get the process going. So what you're going to need is pens, and I found these 8 packs of pens at the dollar store. I have these gel pens, and then I also found these decorative ballpoint pens. And then in the checkout lane I saw these super fun and pretty pens that have these really fun diamonds on the end, and those can be used as well. You'll need a good strong pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife or a box cutter. Just be careful. And then of course, you get a million of these kits with your diamond paintings. You'll want to grab the pink pen, or in this case a clear pen that's inside, and that's what you're going to want to use. You'll also need a hot glue gun, which I have over here plugged in. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take off the cap and the little metal end piece from your pen. And before you go any further than that, you're going to want to make sure that this tip will work. And so what I do is make sure that the end fits inside. And it looks like it does. So this will work for us. Okay. Perfect. Now what you're going to want to do is on your plastic pen here that comes with your kits, there's the first little ledge here. That's where you're going to want to cut. And so what I do is I just kind of score it around that area so it makes it a little bit easier to cut through and it stays nice and even. Okay, almost there. Okay, there we go. So there we have our little end piece. All right, so now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and push that in there. And then make sure to get it all the way through. All right, so as you can see, the diamond painting tip came through. Now how to get that set in place is to use your hot glue gun, and you're going to want to put a dollop of hot glue in there. Just be careful not to burn yourself. And once you get it in there, you're going to want to go pretty quickly before it dries and screw that on. Okay. And if there's excess, that's okay. You can just peel it off or wipe it away. No problem. I did forget to mention to take out the pen part, the actual ink part. So you're going to want to do that before you get this glued on, because once you get it glued on, it's not coming off. Okay. And so that is on. And as you can see, our diamond painting tip is sticking out, which is great. And then what I like to do is turn these into a fun custom pen with some leftover drills that I had. I actually have these really pretty rhinestone crystal leftover drills, and I just fill the empty part with that. And how I do that is just take off the tip here. So I just pop off the end. And then if you have like a little mini funnel, that could come in really handy. Or I create a little funnel of my own, just using the bag. And kind of pour it in there. I got a few going all over the place, but that's okay. Okay, And there we go, we filled it up. And then what I like to do is, so this pen came with a 6-tip end. Now either you can recap it with the end that came with it, or you can glue in the 6-tip end if you'd like, whichever you like to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little dab of glue around the outside here. And stick that in. And again, don't be too worried if the glue is all over the place. It's easy to peel off or wipe away, so no problem. And voila, there you go, your own custom diamond painting pen. Personalized just for you. I like this one because it has a nice grip on it. And then I can just cap it. If I have wax in the end, then I don't have to worry about the wax getting dried out, which is really nice. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. I have my wax here. And just show you that it picks up the wax, as you can see. And then I have one of my little drills that's spilled out here. Okay, there you go. Works perfectly. I love it. And that was it. That's as easy as it is. All right, that's how you make a custom diamond painting pen. Super easy and fun to do. It's very affordable, and it's a great way to add some pizzazz to your diamond painting journey. Hopefully you found this video helpful, but be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can get notified of new videos as they become available. Don't forget to check out our awesome Facebook group, Color with Diamonds, where you can connect with fellow diamond painters and learn all kinds of helpful tips and tricks along the way. We also have a great blog website, colorwithdiamonds.com, full of all kinds of helpful articles and tutorials and product reviews. Be sure to join that and sign up for our free newsletter, which you'll be able to get a free downloadable diamond painting journal for that. Again, thank you so much for joining me, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget, enjoy the journey.